Google hacking is also called as Google Dork, DORKS, not DOCS, it is DORKS. So we know that whenever we need to search anything, our best friend Google always pops up. We simply either type or we use the voice commands. The answers are shown to us just in few seconds, right? So why not use it? Why not use this brilliant tool called Google search engine to launch an attack on a victim? So we are now starting with the very first phase, that is reconnaissance. Reconnaissance can be done by first of all finding out the target and then launching the various kinds of attacks and scanning phase, right? So now we are going to start with the very first step, that is information gathering. Fine. So kindly open your browsers. I prefer Chrome personally, so I would start Chrome. So let's begin the very first task, that is Google Docs. So what happens is, I will simply copy one of these commands. Let me go to my notepad. Now kindly see this. Can you tell me what this is exactly? It's a very simple search query. It's a formatted search query which is basically used to do something. What is that something we are talking about here? What exactly this is trying to do is, it is trying to search all those pages across the entire world which has index.php (ID) in its URL. Many websites still nowadays are built using PHP. But what happens is PHP still has some of the vulnerabilities which are yet unpatched. So the attackers, basically the hackers across the globe, try to find out all those pages which are still using PHP. I will just quickly give you a demo. I'll go to google.com. If I copy this and paste it over here, now see the magic. Magic as in, now only those pages which are having index.php (ID), only those pages will be shown on your search results. So as a result, for example, if I'm not having the exact count right now, for example, if you're simply searching for index.php, you might get some 90,000 results. But for example, if you do this, you will get some 1,000 results. So what exactly is happening over here? Can any one of you answer? Exactly. You are filtering out only the relevant pages which you are actually targeting. Otherwise what happens is, it will simply search for index.php, whether it is present in the URL, whether it is present somewhere in the page or on some other blog activities. It will show all those results. But if you do this dorking thing, only those pages which are having index.php in the URL, only those pages will be shown. Ethical hacking, whenever I say ethical hacking is not something which can be done in minutes or which can be done in seconds. जो movies में दिखाते totally fake है. You can't simply sit in front of a computer, do some typing here and there, and within few minutes you will get the result. No, it doesn't happen. You should have patience, lots of patience whenever you are pursuing this as a career. Ethical hacker, penetration tester, because it's not a task which can be done in few minutes or few seconds. It takes hours or even few days, and at times, if you are able to find the target properly, if you are able to find the information about the victim properly, then you will be able to do it quickly, no doubt. But still, it takes a lot of time. So this is how Google Docs can be used. I will show some more examples. I have got an entire dorking list with me, so I will show that one by one. This will filter all those pages which are having webcam mentioned in their title. Along with, I am actually combining two docs together. So all those websites which are having webcam in its title, along with webcam.html in the URL. So if I enter this, you will get something like this. So let's click on any of these links. This is nothing but a live footage somewhere around the globe. I hope you are able to see this. Isn't it interesting? Now things will start getting interesting from now on. So I hope you are taking keen interest in whatever you're doing right now. I try to make it as interesting as possible with all those real world applications and tools. So kindly let me know if you are able to see the screen, if you are able to perform this. So this is basically some webcam around the globe. I will also show you where exactly this webcam is located. So this is somewhere in the world, and you can see the timing. Obviously it's live and it's somewhere where it's still night. So I guess it's a webcam installed in a park or something like this, something like that, right? So similarly you can get information about multiple webcams across the world. I will show you again how to actually find out where that webcam is located. See, again, this is a webcam, a Noyo Harbor live webcam. It's live footage, and sometimes you can even see people walking over there. Yeah, it's quite interesting, right? Kindly let me know whether you are enjoying this so far or not. Now let's see how to actually find out where this webcam is located. Now the problem in front of us is we are having a URL, right? And we need to convert that URL to IP. Otherwise this IP lookup won't work. We just checked, right? So what you can do is you can go to any website to IP lookup, something like that, and try to put that URL over here, and you will find the IP address. Is it clear? Is it visible? And immediately you come to know that it is located in USA. Okay, so we have got this IP. First of all, what we did, we first of all converted that URL into an IP. So it's simply a DNS kind of thing where we are converting that domain name into an IP address, right? Now we can go and copy the IP address to any IP lookup website. So what happens is you can select any IP lookup website. For example, what is my IP? Go over there and paste this IP address over there and click on get IP details. I hope this will work. Yes, as you can see, the state is North Carolina. Now we are narrowing down, isn't it? So basically what we are doing is we have found out the exact perimeter. Now I'm saying perimeter because I won't say this is the exact location where that CCTV is located. Can you tell me why? This is not the exact location of the CCTV. It might not be that much accurate. So this is how we can capture the information about a particular target. In this case, the target is nothing but a webcam. So I hope you are enjoying this so far. So we have seen the very first information gathering concept or phase, that is what we call as Google hacking or Google dorking.